Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So if you're wondering why I got my hair up in this little t-shirt towel, it's because I just washed it. And I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but Target launched a curly hair product line for natural hair, and I'm going to be testing out their products. They did launch a shampoo, a conditioner, and a deep conditioner, a leave-in, a styling cream, a buttercream, I think it is, like a butter styling cream, and a gel. I did not get the shampoo or the conditioner or the deep conditioner. Right now, I'm just going to be trying out the leave-in conditioner, which is this here, and it's a pretty big bottle. So this is the leave-in, and it's called My Main BFF leave-in conditioner. I am also going to be trying their buttercream, My Everything buttercream. And I'm also going to be trying the gel, Style Goals gel. First off, just commenting on like the design, it gives me like a 90s vibe, kind of. I don't know. And the price point for these products is $6.99. I believe everything on the line is $6.99. So that's actually not bad for products for natural hair, especially the fact that they are sulfate-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, phthalate-free. So that's a decent price point, but is the product as decent as the price? So let me go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to be putting in my hair is the leave-in conditioner, and it comes in a little pump. There we go. I mean, come on, let's be real. I'm about to use a whole bunch. Doesn't smell bad. Has an interesting smell. It's very thin. Looks thick, but it's very thin. And that could be good because my hair is fine. So, I don't know how to describe the smell though, but it smells good. I like it. Definitely has a scent. So far, I like how it's going through my hair. I like that I can feel it going through my hair as well. So that's definitely a plus. I got the leave-in throughout my hair, and so far it feels good. Next, I'm going to be going in with the buttercream. It smells the exact same. And it's much thicker. So that's probably all I'll be using, and I'll just be focusing it. Oh, okay, it's thicker, but it's not as, it's deceptively thicker, but not that thick. So I'm gonna be focusing this on my ends mostly, just to kind of keep my ends moisturized. Okay, and lastly, I'm gonna be using the gel. Oh, it's not even open. It kind of has the same scent, but like a gel scent. I don't know how to explain it. Oh, whoa. Okay, now I can see why I was closed with the foil. It's super liquidy. So, okay, I'm just gonna use a little bit at a time and just kind of rake it through my hair. Oh, that is an interesting consistency. Okay, whoa. So that gel is super liquidy. It was a little bit hard to work with, the gel, because it just like almost like water slipping out of my hands. So yeah, but My hair is styled and I'm gonna go ahead and let it air dry, and I will be back to show you the final results. All right, so I'm back and it's been about 5 hours and my hair is not fully dry. I would say it's about like 80% dry. I still have like a lot of moisture right here and my roots. So not exactly where I want it to be, but I mean, that's the norm for me. It takes forever for my hair to dry. But I mean, honestly, my opinion, and just so you can kind of get like a better view of like my curl definition, I feel like it actually looks pretty good. Like once it dries and I can actually pick it out and add some volume and fluff it up the way that I like it, I already know that it's gonna look really good. So my first impression on this new line from Target, the Emerge line for natural hair, is 2 thumbs up. I like it. I'm actually happy with it. It worked out pretty good for my hair. I don't know how the products would work individually by themselves, if my hair would hold up, but I tend to use more than one product anyway, so there was no way that I was just going to use one product. I would say I'm happy with the results, and for me, it was totally worth it because you get a pretty good amount for what you pay for, and it actually works. If you have a similar hair type to mine, then this might be a product that you might enjoy. So I would definitely say to give it a try. It's definitely worth a try, and the cost, since it's cost efficient, it's not gonna hurt your wallet so much. This concludes my review of the Emerge styling products. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.